Hello dear viewers, this is African Ghanaian Steak. We thank you for watching our videos. The other time we were using small plants to produce. For now, we have increased the plant.
So this is our reactor, which we put the plastic inside and boil it to 450 degrees. After that, the vapor passes through these pipes. So as we heat it with temperature 300 to 450 degrees, the plastic starts to break down. After it breaks down, it turns into liquid.
So the boiling point is
450. Okay. So the vapor will pass through these pipes to this condenser. The condenser, the heavy gases will drop. That's diesel.
so this one will divide the gas.
So the diesel will drop here. This is the heavy oil. And the lighter oil will pass through this pipe again. This one is the second condenser. The oil too will drop here. This is kerosene. And the last condenser is this. It will pass through this pipe.
So this one is a coolant.
And condense here. And pass through this one, this pipe, to this tank. This is our gasoline. We collect our gasoline here, which is petrol.
Yeah, this one is the petrol tank.
Which is petrol. We will collect our gasoline here. And the gases will pass through this PVC hose. This is our